Demoing TutorSense. TutorSense is an automated tutor quality scoring system that helps educational platforms identify at-risk tutors, predict churn, and provide actionable coaching recommendations. It processes session data, calculates performance scores, and uses AI to generate personalized explanations for why tutors may need intervention. Tutoring platforms face challenges such as churners failing at their first session, rescheduling are tutor initiated, and tutor replacements are due to no-shows. TutorSense addresses these by detecting at-risk tutors early and providing specific actionable insights. Right now, we are looking at the dashboard. So by default, it will show the tutors at risk. The user can sort it by lowest to highest, depending on the score, or churn risk. They could also, it's also paginated on the bottom. They could show a 10, 25, 50, or 100. They could reset it. They could refresh it. They could filter by subject, and it'll update based off the most recent timing. So the main table just shows the tutor by their name, their subjects, their scores, churn risk, signals, which means, so in this case, the tutor has first session issues, tutor reschedules. Some tutors have high churn risk, meaning they're more at risk at leaving. The trend chart shows the 7-day average. The scores are calculated by the 14-day average. So as you can see here, the tutor score is 0, but the trend line goes up. This indicates that the tutor has been shown improvements and is getting better. They could click on a tutor and they'll get more information. As you can see, this user was improving, so the latest would be 23, but the overall score is 0. The key metrics are all displayed here. Their dropout percentage, average rating, churn risk, tech issues, rescheduling, and so on and so forth. Their risk signals are displayed here. This is where the AI comes into play. It gives the user a summary. It gives insight into their persona. So in this case, the reliability has been challenged. Just to quickly show the difference between high-risk tutors and low risk. This is what a tutor with a high overall score looks like. As you can see, 0% first session dropout, tutor reschedules, no major risk signals detected. So as you can see here, their score kind of declined but went back up. Their 14-day daily scores are calculated here. No sessions are not being accounted for, calculated into the average. In this case, you can see 50% dropout, which shows that they had 2 sessions here, meaning one of them was dropped out. It gives them coaching guidance too, but for that, let me show you the at-risk tutors. So at-risk tutors are color-coded by red being the most at risk, and then yellow being a little safer but still some risk, and obviously the green meaning no risk. One of the key features that I enjoyed implementing was the recommended interventions. So here, scheduling discipline reset, introduce confirmation. It kind of gives them advice or things to improve. As you can see, effort medium, meaning that an effort high. So this would be the more impactful. They could also view a coaching plan, but before I get into that, they have the coaching guidance here. So here it explains why the score is 0. This kind of also explains a little bit of how these scores are calculated using the version 2 formula. This is like a weighted average, so it includes everything. All these key metrics are calculated or implemented in these calculations. So why these scores are 0, how they're calculated, and then suggested actions. So it gives them actions that they should do to improve. And then a more detailed coaching plan can be seen here. Some components that you already see in this drawer are put in here again, but it kind of gives a more like readable coaching plan. So it even has a next review. So in the follow-up, in 7 days, it will follow up to review forecast accuracy and intervention progress. So if they are making progress, as you can see here, this user is making progress. So in the next 7 days, their score can improve. So just to recap, each tutor has a performance evaluation, a churn prediction, coaching opportunities, which gives them specific areas where they can improve on. As you can see here, the rescheduling and the tutor dropout and the first session dropout are very high, so this would be a priority for them. It gives them the amount of sessions they had. First session average is 3, which is very bad. No shows. It gives them intervention recommendations. So to wrap up, TutorSense provides a complete solution for tutor quality management. It automatically evaluates performance, predicts churn, and generates actionable insights using AI. The system addresses critical business problems, high tutor churn, reliability issues, and lack of actionable data, while maintaining a low operational cost and high ROI potential. This system can be deployed within 2 weeks. It's designed to scale and handle real-world data volumes. And that is all for TutorSense.